Hi dear ones, welcome to Mumbi Inspired Family. This is Agnes and today I'm going to show you how to make ginger lemon tea for cold and flu. It's going to help you get rid of the sore throat. It can be so painful sometimes that you cannot even swallow or eat, and if you are in that situation right now, this ginger lemon tea is going to help you get rid of that. I've done another video about natural remedy for cold and flu. That one is a bit stronger than this one. You can go and watch that video as well. I'm going to put a link below. And today I'm focusing on ginger lemon tea. So it's a herbal tea that can really help your immune system get boosted, especially when it's cold. Body gets weak when it's cold. I thought I should share this secret. There's a very big difference between making your own ginger lemon tea or herbal tea at home and buying it from a grocery store. Homemade herbal tea, you have control over what you put inside, so you can add anything you want. And that's the power of making something like this at home. If you have any natural remedy for cold and flu that you are using at home, please share it on this channel and let's get started. Now to make this ginger lemon tea, you will need 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of grated lemon skin. You grate the outside skin of the lemon. You need half a lemon, slice it like this. You add 1 teaspoon of mint. You add 2 sticks of cinnamon this size. After that, I'm going to boil all the ingredients in the pot, and when I'm done with that, I'm going to let it cool down a little bit, and then I'll add slices of lemon and 1 tablespoon of honey. So be sure that your honey is organic, because if it's too processed and everything else has been killed, then you don't benefit from the properties of honey. And lemon also has to be added after the liquid has cooled down. Now I'm going to boil all this. Now ginger tea is ready. I'm going to strain it, and after that I'm going to let it cool down a little bit so that it's not very hot before I add the lemon and honey. So let's add all the lemon inside, 1 tablespoon of honey. And that's enough. This is ready. You can see it looks very good. It's good. So if you want it stronger, you can grate more ginger, you can add more lemon, more of everything. You want it very strong, stronger than this, but this is good. So this is what I have for you. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and stay blessed.